Welcome to our life in the comments.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel, our life in the Philippines and Australia. My name is Cindy and my husband is Daddy Mozi. Welcome to our life in Bacolod City. As of now, we are living in Bacolod City after I've been in Australia working and living my life as a mother of 4 and a wife for 38 years. So, we'd like to welcome you to our new page of life. We've been here in Bacolod City for 2 years already. So, welcome to our life in Bacolod City. Good morning guys. So, here we are. This is a happy morning after the storm in Bacolod City. So, the storm had passed. We had 4 different storm lining up their way. So, I think the 4th one had landfall already. We've been having a good drop of rain lately, so this is like been nearly a couple of weeks. So it what's today, Thursday? Yes, it is, because last week was also the same. So the 4 storm developed into a storm had passed, I think, Philippines. So today we're gonna go on with our life, cleaning. And I'm gonna start making breakfast for Daddy Mozi before he gets up in the morning. He's still asleep. I put the aircon and he said no, it's too cold, so I need to turn it off. So yeah guys, that is our morning. I'm gonna start cleaning up, and this door opened, or someone opened it. We actually, this one fell. I don't know what happened here, but it should be. Yeah. And guys, this one we have to remain shut, because when the wind comes, it opens up and it swings that door, and it will break the door because it's only fiber. What you call? It's like not the fiberglass. It's like hard plastic. Yeah. So we try to maintain our house here in Bacolod in good shape. Everything here, guys, is very expensive. It's in a dollar term, so it's cheap, but it's in a dollar term. Many of the stuff, especially house materials, it can be very expensive. This plastic here is 2,000 per meter. It's a lot of money, so it's a big number. So I think I spent nearly 20,000 for this one, because 10 meters, yeah, 1, 2, 3, yeah, about 10 meters. I purchased this sort of plastic that we are using in our 3rd floor to stop the strong wind from blowing when it's a windy day, because when it's a windy day, the wind is very, very strong, so you need to sort of put a barrier. And I wanted to put a sliding door there, like that, sliding door to protect all here, but my builder is having trouble saying yes to me, because he is not sure how to do it. And I said to him, it's just like a folding door together, like that, bifold doors. But he said he's gonna work it out and then tell me if he can do it. So I said okay. It could be in a hanging thing like that you can just push, but he still had it anyway. It's very good here when it's an open part, but sometimes it's not, because you get the bugs at night time. So I was thinking, if I put that door there, at least I can enclose this one, and if you can just put the fans, it's okay. But maybe we'll see. Ari na si Bobo. Morning, Bo. Bobo is reporting for duty. Bo, ang camera. Good morning guys. We are here in Yamaha waiting for our motorbike to be serviced. Is Daddy there? Daddy there. He's hiding from the helmet. So our...
You're waiting where the new it's fucked.
Oh. It's kind of nice. it's broken.
They're all the same.
I had to let it go.
That's broken.
It is broken. I get another one. Guys, look at my helmet. Daddy is whinging. Daddy is complaining, guys. Kaya look. Ayun naman. Look at this helmet, guys. Oh, wala na. Wala na siyang pad. Ayan. So, I have to get... I have to get another one. I have to borrow. I got 8 at home. I'll borrow one when we go.
8, 9, 10,
8 new ones.
4 old ones.
But the old ones
13,
are
14,
hard.
13, 14 helmets.
But we give it to the people who don't have helmet, guys. You know? We lend it to them when we go for a ride. Because oh my God, they can drive but no helmet. They can come with us. So our motorbike is down there. Diyan siya. Ayun, si motorbike namin. We get service number 6 na siya dahil. Service number 6. Yes. Good morning.
Ang sa atin, mga coupon, which is pang 24 months na. So, ang inyong autos buwan na 4,000 plus pala. Take kong gamitan na ni sa
Can we just do the change oil, Daddy?
Change oil and that's all. Change oil.
Change oil.
Change oil.
Huh? And then please check the tire in the front. Daw gapupos. May pwede na.
Tire pressure.
Kaya may ginambal eh. Malipat ko. Okay, sige. Hindi talaga na paggamit
Malayari,
ni
magamit na sa mga sa November pa. November 2.
this year.
This year.
Oh, sige, sige. No problem.
Sige ma'am, sige.
Oo, salamat. Okay.
Change oil. Change oil. It's really good.
Yeah. He said we can use our coupon, which is a company coupon, which is to get discount. So he said don't use that one, but we can change oil. I said okay. Change oil lang. So you go change oil for every 3 months.
1,500 kilometers since I changed the last time.
So like 500 Ks added.
1,500.
Oh, that's not bad.
Well, you can do 1,000. I'll do 1,000 next time.
Ay,
It's
okay,
only-
sige.
It's only 1,500.
Yeah,
Something.
yeah. Oh.
Next time I'll do it 1,000.
Ah, okay. So how many months? 1,000?
And how long you ride?
3?
Maybe 3 or 4.
3. Ah, yeah, that's not too bad. At least you know your engine oil is clean all the time.
I'm going to get Twitter to change these too. Just change oil.
Yeah. If we don't tell him, he doesn't do it to the guy. And he goes every day.
That's what I
It's
mean.
cold.
Oh,
Oh, the dust. Whoa, it needs emission. Hello guys, good morning pa guys, 11 o'clock lang. Within few hours lang, marami na naman tayong lilinisan. Pag hindi tayo maglinis, medyo marumi. So, kailangan pag nakita na marumi, linisan agad. Huwag na natin tingnan-tingnan pa. Kasi pag umakyat na naman ulit yung gumagawa ng mga ano, wala na rin. Oh, si Toto aalis. Magpa-service siya ng car niya. There's Toto. Ah. Yan. Si Bubo gumawa nito guys. Atok-atok ng ano. Camera. Ayan. So, hi. Ano lang yan guys. Ano siya. Kain muna tayo. Kain muna tayo guys. Nagpa-service si Toto ng motor niya guys. pinaano namin yung ang Aerox kasi pina-service. So, nag-remind si Morris na dapat i-service na din yung sasakyan, yung ni Toto, service ni Toto. Kasi, para hindi malimutan. So, ang dami kong ibabalik ng mga plato. Kasi itong mga plato na to, magtambay na doon sa ibaba. So, balik na siya. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Dami ng iba. Nasa ano to? Nasa second. Kasi pag i-keep natin dito lahat sa third floor, wala na doon gagamitin sa first floor. So kaya linalagyan ko ng medyo iba-ibang ano ba, type of mga gamit para na may recognition kami kung saan siya nabilong. Ako din yan ang bumibili guys, pero minsan nalilimutan ko din kung saan ko na siya ilalagay. So, ayan. But anyway, good lang, good. Pag pumakati guys ang ilong ko, ginaganon ko na lang. Yan. Kasi pag i-ano ko siya minsan, dumudugo yung ilong ko. So kakain muna tayo. May ano ako dito guys, may water. Here I am. Mag-drive siguro kami maya-maya. Sama kayo namin. Mag-drive kami doon sa road na malapit lang dito sa bahay. Papuntang Mansilingan. Bagong road kasi dyan guys. Tapos, gusto i-explore yung dami. Kaya, yun. Wala na tayo. Wala tayo na kanin. Layo nyo guys, wala tayong microphone. Maganda sana yung may microphone para marinig nyo yung mga pinagsasabi ko dyan. Kanin. Ganyan lang kadami. Ganyan lang kadami guys yung kanin ko. Mga isang cup siguro na compress. So, ganyan lang tayo pag kumain para hindi tayo maging ano. Tapos, nag-i-exercise lang ako guys. Para sa tiyan. Para hindi masyadong lumaki ang tiyan. So, nag-i-exercise lang ako. Ito. Yan. So, pag maliit siya, ganun, better. Kaya pag sobrang kanin na kinain ko guys, hindi na siya better. Bad na siya. So, try ko na lang na kumakain ng kanin na hindi ko hinaharap yung kanin na marami kasi minsan napadami. Dagdag, and then na-realize, so nadagdag, lagot, nakatatlong ano ka na, nakatatlong cup. So, ito ginawa ni April. Yan. Kain tayo. Tapos ito linuto ko. Ayan. Yun. So, nagluluto din yan sila sa first floor. Para sa kanilang mga kakainin. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong kakainin nila. Saka gusto din nila magluto. Minsan, adulting, mga bata. So, sige, go. Magluto kayo. And then, yun na nga. Para hindi na rin ako ayawan magano guys. Kain tayo. Alright, dito tayo. Kain tayo. Ayan. So, tayo dito. May dried fish and then may anong tawag nito? Margoso. Or bitter melon. Ayan. Bitter na melon. Ayan eh. Ayan. Diba? Ganda. Yan. Tumba kayo. Okay, so that's good. Uy, hindi pa naman maano yung kanin ko. Bakit non-stop na yun? Hindi pa mainit, guys. Alright, maghintay muna tayo ng few minutes sa third floor. Ang sarap ng hangin, ang ganda ng tanawin kasi umulan guys ng how many days. Green na green ang paligid, as in it's so nice. Yung mga halaman namin ay hindi nag-suffer sa init, so which is really good. So very healthy sila. Pati yung lagyan na namin ng tubig na 2 drum. Punong-puno din sila. So it's very good. So, makaupo lang ako dito guys. Minsan nakatingin-tingin ganun. Ang ganda ng mga tanawin. So, it's really good. Ipakita ko sa inyo ang mga tinitingnan ko. Ayan guys. Yan. Tanim. Healthy sila kay ano guys. Medyo uminit. Wala na yung bagyo. Which is, thank you Lord. Ayan. O diba, ang ganda. Ayan. Very nice ang mga tanawin. Nakatingin-tingin lang ako dito. Ito yung table. Ayan. So, nakaupo lang ako dito guys. Nakatingin-tingin sa tanawin. It's really nice and refreshing. O diba? Kaya maano ka talaga, mapapawaw ka talaga sa yung calmness ng paligid. Which is good. Kasi nga, umuwi nga kami dito sa Pilipinas, sa Bacolod, para na magpahinga guys. So, na-achieve naman namin ni Daddy. Saka nag-enjoy naman kami. So, ayan na yung pagkain ko. Kain na tayo. Okay, let's go. So, ito naman, medyo mainit na siya. Sobrang init pala. Kanina, lilagay ko siya ng 1 minute, ayaw. Linagay ko ng 2 minutes, uminit naman lalo. Ano ba yan? Wala tayong panalo dito. Kain tayo. Ayan guys, tapos may naiwan tayo ng kaunti for next time naman. So we have a glass of water. And that's it. Our lunch is done. So, thank you Lord for the lunch. Nakakain ako.
So
Kami
maya-maya
sa market.
may bibilhin kami para sa store. May nag-order na mga kailangan nila. Tapos sige daddy, gusto mag-drive dito banda sa likuran, bagong road. Ipakita ko na lang sa inyo guys kung ano pa kami, ano ko na lang siguro in the next video kasi alam ko mahaba na to para sa inyo. So ganito guys ang life namin sa Pilipinas. Kung magwa-wonder din kayo ano ang magawa, okay naman guys, nag-enjoy naman kami sa bahay, yun. Tapos kung gusto namin lumabas, lalabas lang kami. Like this morning, nagpa-service kami ng Aerox ni daddy. So hindi ako nag-film kasi nakaangkas ako sa likod niya. So I feel na hindi na. So napumunta kami ng ng Yamaha, pero doon as you can see in this video. Ayan. Tapos kung aalis kami guys, itry ko na i-video kahit kaunti para makita nyo naman na umaalis din kami, yun. So sa inyo na mga kababayan natin na Pilipina dyan sa abroad, alam ko na may mga fear tayo pag umuwi tayo, pero minsan ang sitwasyon natin dinidictate talaga na tayo nandito na. So hindi ko nga akalain sa buong buhay ko na makarating ako dito sa Pilipinas na mabuhay kami dito ng ganito. Akala ko hindi ko kaya guys, kasi parang baliktad na yung yung sitwasyon na dapat talaga may pera ka dito pag tumira. Agree naman ako dyan, So kuwan lang, pwede naman tayo mag-budget. Dapat talaga yung fear natin sa pagbabudget labanan, kasi it's easy to say pero it's hard to do sa budgeting. Kaya wala na talaga kaming choice ni daddy. Kung hindi ako mag-budget, hindi kami makakatira dito. So wala na akong choice, kailangan ko talaga mag-budget para dito sa Pilipinas. So ayan. So thank you so much guys for watching, at saka maglinis na ako ng aking mga lilinisan, and then I shall see you na guys in our next vlog. So this is our life in Bacolod City. Thank you so much guys for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Please do subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos sa mga Pilipina na mga kakilala nyo sa abroad na gustong tumira dito sa Pilipinas, or gusto lang makita kung paano kami na galing sa abroad makakatira dito as of this moment. Ayan. So maraming salamat. See you guys in our next vlog. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.